thanks for laying everything out. Now, because the Tacoma comes in different varieties, there's also a variety of accessories, many of which we're not going to use, and some that we will use. So we'll just do a quick overview. I'm just going to glaze over. I'm not going to get into huge detail, but just so the audience knows, and then you know a little bit about what we're looking at. So obviously the back of the replacement Aucar infotainment screen we're putting in. These are USB cables, which we'll probably want to run to the glove box. You can hook up like a USB thumb drive, charge things off of it, that type of thing. We have a microphone, so you can do your Bluetooth calling, and this, if we hook it up, should improve or complement the microphone that you have already, which you told me doesn't sound very good.
Yeah, that's right.
So if we hook this up, this may help.
Okay.
We have your LTE antennas here, and we have a SIM card slot right there. You put your SIM card in there and you can get data on the go if you bought like a tablet data plan. I don't think you're going to use that, but if we hook those up, it'll give you that functionality.
Yeah.
We have an OBD2 power plug, it looks like, so must borrow some power from your OBD2 port. We have a GPS antenna because you don't have GPS right now. You rely on your cell phone to do that. These are RCA outputs, I believe. They might be inputs. I'm not really sure, but we're not adding a sound system and we're not feeding in extra sources.
Yeah.
So I don't know if we're going to use these, but why is there two? Well, because the Tacoma has a JBL system and a non-JBL system. So I believe that these harnesses come into use depending on what you have. And that's the same for these big harnesses. We're going to use one or the other.
How do I know what?
Well, you don't have the JBL system from what I can tell because
okay.
There's a little logo on the radio. I looked it up ahead of time, so I could be a good teacher. And then we have a couple other wiring harnesses here. Here's that camera one again. So see, they're different.
Yeah.
So I think it depends on the system that you have.
Okay.
So
that's
I think
nice.
It's kind of like this. Yeah, you got both kits basically.
Yeah.
All in one. And then you have instructions for the 2012, the 2015 stuff here. But if you flip it over, you've got instructions for the 2005 to 2011. They're the same generation, but they must have had some technology changes when it comes to their screens and entertainment stuff. So I think we got everything we need. Let's get the old radio out. Ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. You didn't have to close your door, but it makes you feel more safe. That's fine. So first we want to pry this out. So they give you those pry tools in the box. I'd use probably a wide one, and then you just want to kind of pry it forward. I gotta remember you gotta do the work.
Should I move that stuff over there?
Nope, we want to see all the crap that you have in your car.
Okay.
Yep, so just try and pull it out evenly because we don't want to, it's just like tabs that are holding it. There you go, perfect. And now there's not a lot of room because these wires are a little tighter.
Yeah.
We want to undo these clips. So there, you got that one. Perfect. You just got to find the button. You say button weird, so.
Button?
Yeah, button with D's. There we go. Okay. So I'm just going to set this aside somewhere safe. I wouldn't put it on the floor. That's where you don't put it. There, put it in the back seat. Okay, so what's holding that radio in?
These two wires.
Get low, get low. What's holding that radio in?
What is holding this thing?
Get down there. No, look down.
Wait, look
Get
where?
your head down, you gotta work.
Oh yeah, okay, these screws.
There's bolts there.
Bolts.
10 millimeter. I'll grab you a 10 millimeter socket.
Thank you. I actually have a toolkit.
Do you want me to see it?
Yeah, I want
You're showing
you to
it?
see it.
Okay.
Yeah.
This should be good. You have enough room? I can get you an extension if you want.
I think it'll be fine. This one might be a little tricky.
How's this?
Okay, that's good.
Good job. You learned something today.
Yeah. My fingers don't work properly because one time I severed my tendons in my pointer finger because I was opening an avocado and I stabbed the pit and the knife slipped off.
And you just healed it yourself?
It doesn't bend. No, I had to get surgery.
Oh my.
You didn't know about this?
No, I forget things easily. Are these the longest bolts in the world, or?
Well, I
there
don't
we go.
know.
Okay.
Okay, that one's out, but this one's not out.
Yeah, it is, I think. Well, keep going. There we go.
Okay.
Cup holder. Okay,
Cup holder.
You should be able to pull it out nice. And then let's just.
Oh, let's see this.
Yeah, there's lots in there. I'll give you a hand just because why not? You're gonna win though. We haven't got one out. There we go.
Ow. Whew.
Where's your hazard button? Wait.
It's right here.
Let's turn it off first.
Okay, got it.
Otherwise it'd be on the whole time, I think. I can help. Now that I know you got a gimped finger.
Woo!
You did it!
I'm surprised there's not like a bird nest back here.
Me too. There's two harnesses here. We have one without the amplifier plug, and we have one with the amplifier plug. We're going to use this one because she does not have the JBL system, the Tacoma factory head unit without the JBL amp A. But you don't have a USB adapter plug here. It's vacant. But all these other ones seem to have that. But yours doesn't look like this bottom one. Yours is definitely this one here. So it looks like there's some subtle differences from even this manual. But we're going to go with this setup here and hope for the best. Okay, we're just going to wing it, and we're going to try our best guesstimate with these harnesses. Hook them up to what's there, and then we'll hook it all up to the back of the screen. We do have to relocate these tabs though. These tabs need to be relocated.
I need to take them off?
Onto here. Don't break them. It's gone forever.
Bye.
Just lift one end, get your finger under it a little, and then work on the other end.
Oh, I see.
So yeah, there you go. Just don't over pry. Because if they snap, we don't have new ones. You're getting good at that.
Yeah, professional.
Now, you're not going to be able to use everything from what I gather, but we should be able to use most of them. And when you're doing stuff like this too, just think of like, if the wires are twisted weird, do I want to move one over out of the way? See, pretty straightforward. So let's just take what we had here and hook it up with things. Okay, so we still have an antenna adapter. These all go into the new screen. That goes into the new screen.
We need to find one for this one.
Yeah, so let's go have a look. We got to run a bunch of wires, your USB cables, your GPS antenna. So we got to fish all that through. But the decision you need to make is where you're going to clip your microphone. It doesn't need to be up where the headliner is, like where your sunshade is.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be there.
Okay.
There's a couple spots we could put it. So let's have a look.
Okay.
You want to clip it under there because you never move it?
Yeah.
Sure, let's do that. And then we got to run this wire up in behind this area and just let it hang out of there for a bit.
Okay.
This is your OBD2 port. It's a plug for it. It's down here. We plug that in, and then we run this power wire all the way through over to the radio.
Oh, wow.
Let's do the boring part, run those wires, and then your GPS antenna. We'll see if we can like put it up in the top corner there or something, and then run the wires. Okay. So we'll figure that out. Are you ready to put it in?
I'm so ready. I'm so excited.
Well, if you didn't do anything wrong, we should be good to go. We're not doing the cellular stuff, right?
No.
Okay. And you don't have a factory backup camera?
No.
But I think there's the wire for that. This is the other harness. I like to put a rag down so it can't get scratched. Okay, just a matter of connecting things. No, I don't think that goes there.
Okay.
Not off to a good start, are we? These black ones probably go like up here.
Oh.
Maybe we'll get to those because they're up high. Let's start with the low stuff. So that big, giant, chunky one goes right there. So this goes here. And this black one's going to go way up there.
Many, many minutes later.
They give you a lot of cables. And your stereo is not the exact same as the one in the manual. Now, should we tie all this up or just stuff it in?
Probably tie it up.
Okay. Well, then let me get the wires kind of out of the way so that can be achieved. Okay, so that looks good. Microphone in. Okay, since you're holding the camera, I will help with all of this.
Oh my gosh, it looks so good.
Fingerprints and all.